Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file a workers' comp claim in California. First, you must report your work-related injury or illness to your employer right away. This is a crucial first step to ensure your claim proceeds smoothly. Your employer then has 1 business day to provide you with a DWC-1 claim form. Make sure to fill out this form completely and return it to your employer as soon as possible to officially start your claim process. After you submit your DWC-1 form, your employer is required to authorize up to $10,000 in medical treatment while your claim is being reviewed. They must also forward your completed claim form to their workers' compensation insurance company. The insurance company then has a 90-day period from the date you filed the claim to decide whether to accept or deny your claim. During this time, you should continue to seek necessary medical care. You have the right to choose your own treating physician within the workers' compensation system, which is important for your recovery. It's vital to keep meticulous records of all your medical appointments, treatments, and any related expenses. These documents will be crucial evidence for your claim. If your claim is denied, or if you encounter any disputes, consider consulting with a qualified workers' compensation attorney to understand your legal options. Once your claim is processed, it may be resolved through a settlement or an official award, providing you with necessary benefits. These benefits typically include coverage for all your medical care related to the injury, as well as compensation for lost wages during your recovery period. It's important to understand these outcomes. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and healthy every day.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.